Express the following search in simple forms. Subpart 1. Root of 75. Root of 75 can be written as 3 into 5 into 5 under root, which is 5 common 2 times since it is. We write it as 5 root 3. Subpart 2. Root 80. Root 80 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, which is, since the 2 is 2 times common, we'll write 2 into 2 into root 5, which is 4 root 5. Subpart 3. Root of 96. Root of 96 can be written down as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. We remove 2 common ones second time, and since there is nothing common out here, we write it as 2 into 2 into root 3 into root 2, which is equal to 4 root 6, since root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Subpart 4. Root of 112. Root of 112 can be written down as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. We remove 2 common ones, we remove 3 common ones. Therefore, 2 into 3 into root 3. Therefore, 6 root 3. Subpart 5. Root of 162. Root of 162 can be written down as 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. We remove 3 common ones, we remove 3 commons for the second time. So 3 into 3, and since there is nothing common out here, we remove root 2. Therefore, 9 root 2. Subpart 6. Root of 245. Root of 245 can be written down as 5 into 7 into 7, which is, we remove 7 one time common. So 7 into root 5, which is 7 root 5. Hence, these all search can be written down in their respective simple forms. All the broken down is obtained by the method of HCF, that is the highest common factor.